Scrappers, a lot of people ask us how they can get consistent scrap. And going to the manufacturing industry is an area that you're always going to get consistent scrap from. And let me show you a couple of examples. All of this material in front of me came from a manufacturer who is either refurbing or redoing different pieces of their equipment. Now these are old pieces, but what does old pieces mean? That means that they were replaced with new pieces. Here you can see a perfect example of a new piece of cast aluminum versus an old piece of cast aluminum. This was a reject because a couple of the bolts had broken off inside, and that's how it got to the scrap yard, but it was replacing this piece right next to it. Now when you deal with manufacturers opposed to people that are just doing HVAC work or electricians, they're always going to be producing materials, and being their go-to person will allow you to sometimes get big lots of material. We have customers at our scrapyard that are manufacturers. Every year they do inventory cleanouts. They have bad products that they need destroyed. And by hooking up with a company like that that's always producing material, or their job is to produce different equipment, that equipment is made of metal. That metal will allow you recycling opportunities, and that's how you can make more money. Now some of these companies are going to ask you to just take these things and get rid of them. Here's a good example. Inside here there was a little electric motors that were mixed in. You also had pieces of steel that had ball bearings inside and cast aluminum. Some of these companies aren't going to want top dollar. They just want to know that it's recycled, but you might be able to take stuff like this, sort it out on your own time, sort it into different piles, cut the wire, get the circuit boards, the aluminum, the steel, and from there you're going to be able to make more money on items like this. Cleaning them, getting the board off, the piece of aluminum, the capacitors, the wire. And a lot of people like that winter work, that busy work, and these are perfect opportunities where you can find manufacturing facilities, and they're all over the country. And I'm not just talking about huge ones like Ford. There are a lot of local machine shops that make things for bigger companies, and they have bad products that come through their doors as well. So this is another area for you to find consistent scrap. Let us know what you think, and let us know about any experiences that you've had working with large manufacturers. Until next time, scrappers, I'll scrap you later. Thanks for checking out this scrap video. For more exclusive scrap video content, please become a YouTube member of our channel today. Thank you, and I'll scrap you later.